Now, could Americanism be fairly characterized as a religion?
I would call Americanism or Italianism or Russianism or anything else totalitarian doctrines. No one should have any, in fact, these notions like that are only used in totalitarian states. So, for example, in the Soviet Union, the old Soviet Union, dissidents, Sakharov and people like that, were condemned as being anti-Soviet. Under the neo-Nazi generals in Brazil, people who condemned their horrifying policies were criticized as anti-Brazilian. On the other hand, if a book called The Un-Italians appeared in Italy, referring to people who criticize Italian foreign policy, let's say, people would just laugh and ridicule. Maybe under Mussolini it would have been different. And the reason is that these are totalitarian doctrines. They identify state policy with the country and its society and its culture. And that's not done by people who have any conception of freedom. Actually, there's a long history to this notion. It goes back to the Bible. In Kings 1, King Ahab condemns Elijah, who was seeking justice and freedom. He condemns him as being, the Hebrew phrase, Ocher Yisrael, that means roughly someone who hates Israel or troubles Israel, something like that. He's anti-Israel because he's seeking justice and freedom. And that's the origin of the concept, and it has an inglorious history from King Ahab right through the Soviet Union and up to today, and we should avoid it, at least if we want to identify ourselves with the ideals of Elijah and not King Ahab.